हाय किड्स, पर्पल कलर। आज हम सीखेंगे कैपिटल लेटर अल्फ़ाबेट्स। A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. G for gun. G for gun. H for hat. H for hat. I for inkpot. A for inkpot. J for joker. J for joker. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for orange. O for orange. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for quarrel. Q for quarrel. R for rose. R for rose. S for ship. S for ship. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for vase. V for vase. W for woman. W for woman. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra.